Are you struggling with your weight? Do the same old exercises not work? You may struggle with your body image, which we all have for many years. Healing that relationship is an essential part of your weight loss journey. You might need to fix your metabolism. This video: Boost your metabolism with a Metabolism Booster Drink. Metabolism Booster Drink recipes. New video. We'll give you the easy steps to take to lose weight faster.
Are you looking for a healthy, tasty way to increase your metabolism? Try a smoothie with mango. Mangoes boost your metabolism, but they also help you reduce heartburn, reduce morning sickness, and improve digestion. Other benefits of mango smoothies include memory enhancement, improved sex drive, and boosted indigestion. Mangoes are loaded with vitamin C, perfect for your morning routine. Tangerines and strawberries are also excellent choices to add to your smoothie.
Green tea can boost your metabolism. The active compounds in this drink, including catechins, inhibit an enzyme responsible for degrading norepinephrine, a fat-burning hormone. By increasing the rate of fat breakdown, you'll burn more calories during your workout. Once you've broken down your fat, it's released into your bloodstream, where it is used as energy by your muscle cells. Coffee contains compounds that increase your metabolism and burn fat during exercise. Caffeine is one of the essential stimulants in the body, so it can be an excellent fat-burning aid during a workout. Research has shown that caffeine can improve exercise performance by 11%. Caffeine stimulates your central nervous system, releasing hormones and increasing energy production. Besides this, caffeine can improve your mood as well.
The catechins in matcha are known to increase the rate of the body's metabolism. These compounds help prevent the breakdown of norepinephrine, a hormone that increases heart rate and signals the body to burn more calories and stored fat. By boosting the rate of metabolism, matcha can help people lose weight. However, this tea must be consumed in the right quantity to be effective. Matcha has numerous benefits. Matcha contains about 3 times more antioxidants than high-quality regular green tea. As such, 2 cups of matcha may provide the same amounts of plant compounds as 20 cups of other green teas. Wow! If you're looking to boost your metabolism, try drinking lemon water first thing in the morning. It will jumpstart your metabolism, but it will also help replace the calories you've eaten at breakfast. Plus, lemon water tastes so good that you'll find yourself drinking more of it. And lemon water helps you lose weight and feel great, so you might as well drink it more often. You can download the Better Me app to help you with this process.
Aside from improving your metabolic rate, coconut water also has other health benefits. It has bioactive enzymes that help in digestion. The body uses these enzymes to burn fat. The faster your metabolism, the quicker you burn fat and lose weight. Drinking coconut water every day can help you lose weight by speeding up your metabolism. See our other videos to discover the many benefits of this drink. It might be the answer you've been looking for.
The health benefits of drinking hot water with lemon are numerous. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is essential for immunity. Drinking lemon water can protect your body from deficiencies in your immune system and boost your metabolism. A glass of lemon water is an excellent way to get your daily dose of vitamin C. It can also help with digestion. Here are a few of its other benefits. You can enjoy them with warm water or mix them in ice water for an extra kick. A cup of coffee is not the only beverage you can drink in the morning to kickstart your metabolism. Using detox tea is an excellent way to kickstart your metabolism and boost your energy level. Detox teas can also help to rev up your digestive system, increase your energy levels, and boost your immune system. Drinking these teas can give you a boost in energy and weight loss without breaking the bank.